Just left North Carolina and we're headed down to Florida. We're looking for our dream boat so we could sail the seas. Come along with us as we check them out and enjoy the video.
Bret and I made it to Florida last night and we stayed at his mom's house, which is really nice. We're heading to Stewart to look at a boat today. We're very excited. It's nice because if that doesn't work out, we can go to Indiantown, which is a really big boatyard. So we're gonna go look at more boats today. Wow. Oh my gosh.
The boat we're looking at here is pretty unique. It was built by this guy's father in their backyard in South Africa. And they sailed up and down the coast of Africa and then eventually sailed it across to here in Florida. So we're gonna go take a look at it and see what we think.
Actually, instead of just getting the one part, I've ordered a whole new. Pretty good for 45 years.
After checking out that boat, we headed over to Indiantown Marina. We've heard a lot of things about boats going here to die and lots of boats here for sale. And we found out that they don't allow owners to sell their boats. They have to go through a broker. So we didn't have many boats to look at, but we just walked around and enjoyed the day.
Hello, we are in St. Augustine, Florida.
Yeah, and we're seeing if we can find a boat. We've got a lead on one. They said it's in good shape, but I think I saw it. And from what I can see, I would say it's probably not in good shape, but it's $6,000, so we're here to look at it.
And we'll see how we like it. This one's big.
Look inside. There's nothing.
Crap.
Okay, this is all taken. Oh, there's one.
Oh my god.
They really did go.
Yeah.
Freaking cool boat. It's massive. Oh, you want a project? Come on, we can do it.
Alright, we can check it out inside. Okay, then maybe not. I'm okay, I guess, to pass.
How deep it is. See the belly?
There's a wasp. Okay, I'm getting down. There's lots of wasps. Yeah, the guy said there's wasps, so be careful. And there's literally wasps coming out of the tunnels. So we checked out that boat and we passed on it just because.
Did you see it?
But we're gonna go look at more boats today, so that is good news. So, yeah!
Alright, we have just got to Green Cove Springs Marina. A guy has offered to give us his Valiant 40 for free if we just pay his storage bill, which is $5,000. So we're here seeing if it is worth it. Because typically a free boat is not going to be a nice boat, but we're hoping that it will be a nice boat. It's a centerboard version of the Valiant 40. There is like 3 of those made. It's kind of unique. I think it's less desirable, but we can't be choosers. I think it'll be cool. Hopefully the boat is in some sort of condition where it's savable and where we think it makes sense for us, but it's kind of a dream boat, so hopefully it works out. It would be totally insane.
Oh, we went to the office and the guy told us to go way down the road, past 3 gates, then take a left, and it should be behind the shut down gas station or next to the abandoned building. So we're back in the car because the place is 65 acres and we're gonna drive there. But it's a really cool place. It's pretty sweet. Here are the double gates. Woohoo! We're seeing lots for sale.
This is great. Oh, I think we're coming up to the gas station, maybe?
I think so too. I think this might be it. Let's go see. Well, it's crazy, but Bret just found the second of the Valiant 40s that have a centerboard. So 2 out of the 3 made that have a centerboard are here.
Here. It's
So
kind of crazy.
that's kind of weird. Here's some more boats. He couldn't tell us exactly where it was, but he said it's in this lot. Looking for last chance.
This is fun. Look at all these. They're all different types of boats. This is cool.
One falls, it's gonna be like a domino effect. Do you see it, honey?
Oh, yeah. What's that look like?
Diana 37. Think we're getting close.
With the right kind of butt on it, it's not painted. It's got little bubbles in it.
Yeah. There's a centerboard on here.
She's super duper 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 soft. The hatch looks new. See, that's soft. This is all soft. And so I'm expecting it to not look too great.
You know if there's an alligator in there or something.
Come on.
This is nice. This little shelf. Oh, I like this a lot. Here's the bedroom. I have sweat dripping down my leg, and I keep thinking it's a bug. I mean, I really like it. Here's the nav station. It's like a L-shaped kind of.
Is that?
Oh my god, that's water. Well, we have to remember it's $5,000, you know. I do like the layout a lot.
Ooh, a little crystal, don't forget him.
Oh, a little crystal. And here's the V-berth. This is nice. Definitely needs lots of deep cleaning.
We'd have to strip it. The headliner's all, needs redone. And the deck is soft. So we'd have to cut that open, which isn't, the end of the world. Cut that open and fix it up in there.
We would just have to come in here and throw everything off.
Yeah, everything needs to
And
be-
we just completely gut it. Probably even take off the...
Like the furniture would stay, but all the headliner would have to come down.
The floor actually doesn't feel bad.
Floor feels solid.
The floor feels really good, to me at least.
Yeah,
These are really cute. I really like those. It makes it feel homey. Gives me a vision.
Let's see how deep this water is. If it's water. There's oil. Look at that. That's like a living thing. It's solid.
Oh my god, stop.
Big old room, though. That's nice.
Yeah, it's super nice.
We want a project. Man, there's probably a lot of boats people aren't looking at in here. Just here to die, you know? It's a shame.
That's all the boats we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and be sure to like and subscribe.